So in this video, we're basically looking at three rocks. So I'll take a line, I'll just kind of draw down through here and draw down through here. So we're basically looking at three rocks. And I'm just attempting to show you porosity and permeability and how it can look differently. So if you were to look at this particular rock right here, as you can see, the grains are really, really tight together. There's no space in between those grains. So we would say that this has very low porosity, or we would say non-porous. And because there's no space, then there's not even a chance at having connectivity between the spaces. So we would say that this has very low permeability, which would be non-permeable. If you were to look at this rock in the middle here, as you can see, there's actually space, and the blue color that you see in between the grains actually signals the space. Now, I wouldn't go as to say that this has high porosity, but I would say it has, moderate porosity. There is definitely space between the grains, but there is absolutely no connectivity between those grains, because they're so tight together that there's no way that oil or gas or even water could get from space to space. So we would say that it's non-permeable or impermeable. If you were to look at the rock on the far right, as you can see, the grains, there's a lot of space in between, so it's porous. And also, though, there's lots of connectivity. So these, in this particular sample, the grains look like islands that's surrounded by water. And as you can see, there's lots of connectivity. So this would be a really good rock to find oil and gas in, or even water, because it's easy for it to flow through because of its permeability.